Every Rolex watch begins with a detailed design focused on precision and luxury. Rolex selects premium metals like oyster steel, gold, and platinum.
Metals are melted and cast to create strong watch components.
High-precision machines shape the Rolex watch case with perfect accuracy. Cases are polished by hand and machine for a flawless finish.
Each dial is carefully colored, printed, and inspected.
Hour markers are added with extreme precision.
Rolex creates lightweight and perfectly balanced Rolex watch hands. The heart of the watch, the movement, is built from tiny components. Expert watchmakers assemble the movement by hand. Special oils are applied to ensure smooth movement. The movement is adjusted to achieve extreme accuracy.
The movement is carefully placed into the Rolex watch case.
A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal is fitted on top. Rolex bracelets are crafted for strength and comfort. The bracelet is attached and adjusted perfectly. Every Rolex is tested for water resistance.
Rolex tests accuracy under strict conditions.
Each Rolex watch passes a final quality inspection. The finished watch is carefully packed in a luxury box.
Subscribe for more factory videos.